Hello guys, welcome back to day 21 of my Kaftan design challenge, and thank you for keeping up from day 1 to day 21. I really appreciate that. And if you need any project file for any of my mockup design, don't forget that you can get the link in the description box. The website is for you get it there. So before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial from Timmy the creator. So okay, so let's start with what we do with this base design. I'm going to select all this. Yep. First, let's start by reducing the particle distance. I'm going to be doing something we've not really talked about. So let's start with that. Okay, still loading. We are done. I'm going to simulate. So we have something like this. So I'm just going to stop my simulation, go to avatar, go to mail, go to pose. I'm going to increase the use this pose and select OK. Yep. So we are good to go. So the next I'm going to do is to delete these okay, these and these, yeah, these and these and these and this. Then we'll delete this point. I'm going to select Z and delete this point, delete and delete this. Yeah, and the last one is here. I'm going to delete this. So well, it will be quite technical. Okay, so so this was going to happen. I'm going to do this. I'm going to right click and see layer clone over. I don't know if it's necessary or okay. Let me control Z first. So this is what I want to do. I want to start from here. If I do that, I want to do two things. You start from here and bring this here, double click. I'm going to select C. I'm going to bring this like this. Yeah, something like this. So okay. I'm going to do the same thing here, G, somewhere close to that point, yes, and I'm going to bring it to this point. Or double click and that click again, yeah, it's done. So select C and this is okay. Let's make it more okay. So we have something like this. Don't worry, you see where I'm heading to. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to select right click, sorry, I'm going to select layer clone over. So I'm going to take it to the top. Yeah, so we have, let me see this. Yes, we have something like this to bring it out here. So this is the first part. So again, I'm going to do the same thing again. Right click, I'm going to select layer clone. Let's layer clone over again. Yeah, that's it. So we have it here too. So now the thing is I want to remove all the link. I'm not interested in the link editing. Anytime you see a line, like a line like this, it means it's linked. So this is what I'm going to do. So now I'm going to just delete this. I'm going to delete this. Yeah, so I'm going to focus on this. So this is what's going to happen. I'm going to select this. I'm going to just cut out. We'll cut this part out. There's this. This inside, right? So we have, okay, we have these two. Okay, coming. So I'm going to do the same thing. Since I've cut out that, so I'm going to select this. I'm going to cut it out, select this part and delete. So we have something like this. I'm going to delete all these and delete all these, delete all these, delete all these, delete all of them. I don't need you, bruh. So let's select B. I want to see the stitches. Okay, I think we are good to go. Oh my god, did I just delete this? Let me see the B. I'll need it. So let me try something. So I'm going to select free sewing, this side to this side and this side to, yeah, this side. So we have, let me see, yeah, we don't have any issue, so we are good to go. Okay, let me freeze this. I need to freeze this top part. So Right click and freeze, and let's simulate. This is how it looks like. So we have something like this. We have something like this. I think, what have we done? This is stitch, right? The other side, I don't know why this is not. Damn. Damn. Should I make this side stitched? I'm not going to. Let me make it stitch or not stitch. Let me make it stitch or not stitch. Because I can also delete it from this side. Select B. So I'll make it stitch. Let's leave. I'll make it stitch. So I'm going to select B. Comment. B or N. Anyone is fine actually. Let me select N. I'm going to stitch it to this side. Yeah. So spacebar. Yep. So we have this. So what I want to do is this now. Let me see. I'm going to stop my simulation. I'm going to see if I can. Let me see. 150. That's how it's going to look like. It's too much. Or I should just leave it the way it looks like. No, that's too much. 105 is fine. Okay. Is there anything else I need to do? Okay, so this is what I wanted to do. I'm going to select this. I'm going to select add. Yeah. Oh, not add. Let me use this. So this, and I'm going to select copy. So I want to make these two pattern transparent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign it to this new fabric here, and I'm going to make sure that I reduce the opacity. Okay, I'm going to select the fabric, not the pattern. So I need to look for opacity. Where are you? Yeah, this is opacity. So I can do something like this. So I'm going to select these two, the one in front, sorry, and on freeze. So you have something like this. Even this is not stitched to the hand. Coming. Ctrl Z. So it's a lot. We're going to select N, these two, this, because I don't understand. Yeah. Yep. So we have this. So now we have something like transparent. So this is transparent. This is transparent. Yeah, both are transparent. But I would have used a lace fabric. Okay. Let me see. As I go to connect.clo. Sorry. Connect clo.connect. Yes. So yeah, I'm going to go to fabric. Yeah. That's a very network is slow. Okay, I just double clicked again. Okay. Okay, so these are the free lace. This is lace, but not this shoelace thingy. I think the only one they have here for free are these three. So I just have to like pick one. Okay. I don't know, is this transparent? It's looking thick. Because I don't want to download what. Okay, let me use this instead. I'll just add this to cart. Going to come here. Floral. Yeah, so I'm going to download it here. So let's download. So it has downloaded. So this is what I want to do. I want to copy it from here. So just watch. It's list 13 again. What is this for? Are there different file? This is the base color. Hope I don't have to do all this again. I hope so. Or maybe if I want to use it in another software. I'm coming. So what is going on again? What is going on? Okay, let me check this one on this is the format for fabric on Clo. So I'm just going to copy this, Ctrl C, just open a new tab. I'm going to go to my assets because I've pinned the location of my Clo asset. So somewhere here. Okay, yeah, this is it, the first thing here. So I think it should be oh shit. Let's check material first. I need to read somewhere. Fabric. It's not in fabric. Okay, it's here. So I'm going to paste it here. Yeah, we have floral lace. So I'm going to try this. I'm going to go to Clo. I'm going to go to fabric. I'm going to go to floral. Let's search for floral. So let's see if it's going to give us what we want. Okay. Okay. This looks good. Not bad. I just make do with this. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to turn off my simulation here on my keyboard. And let's add the button to this here. So I'm going to select this and place it here. So we have this here. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to drag this down a bit. It's too close. I'm going to Control C, Control V. Let's do some 1, 2, 3 and right click. And I'm going to select 2. Let's see where it's placed properly. Okay, yeah, we are good to go. Select OK. And then I'm going to come in to drag. I'm going to select the default button so I can change the button type. Yeah, so I'm going to a button shape. Click on the drop down here. And here we have this. I'm going to select this. I'm going to change this to 15. I'm going to change the okay, not this yet. I don't know the color I want to use. What is the fabric type? Yes, metal. So we have this. So now let's start with which color we should use. I'm not going to use ChatGPT here. I just want to pick something random. I'm going to select this and let's see what can we use. That's I like brown a lot, but let's see we can make do it. If I use this color, so I use this color and the floral vase. Let's see this. I used white. I think let me use this. Apply and close. Let me see this fabric in velvet. It's going to look good. Okay, where is velvet? Yep. Yeah. So we have this, but then you need to reduce the particle distance. Control A and scroll down or scroll up back. Let me set it off. Okay, I'm not done yet. I want to change the post before I do that. Mail. Where are you? Sorry, pose. Yes, and this. Okay. So I'm going to select all of them now. I can change it to 5 if I want. Let me save this file. Control S. Okay, let's simulate. I'm going to stop my simulation. Okay, I've not changed the thread. You can still see this blue line here. So I'm going to select this. So I'm going to select this and change it to this. Apply and close. Even the button, did I even change the color? I did not. Yeah. So it looks good. So I'm just going to go to stage. I think that's where I saved my own. Double click. Add render properties and okay. Select this A and select the backdrop. I'm going to change this to this. Apply and close. Go to render. Yeah, setting should be 1080 by 1080. Going to select these, the light. Going to use light 7. We're going to zoom closer and let's click on render. Okay, this is the result and this is beautiful. I like this. I don't know, I am in love with this color. Let me see. Yeah, so this is going to be our design for the 21. So thank you for watching this tutorial from Timmy the creator. Don't forget to click on subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial.